All right, ladies and gentlemen, today you're looking at Africa today and the culture. The many cultures of the people of Africa cannot be captured in one day or in one lesson, but this is going to give you a very brief glimpse of the way of life found in sub-Saharan Africa. The first thing you're going to do is to look at art and music. There's an embedded slideshow about African art and music, and you're going to need headphones, especially if you're at home. You're going to need that so that way you're not disturbing anyone else. As you go through a couple of the slides, I'm going to pull this out so that you can see what it looks like. You're going to go through and click through down here in order to go through the slides and look at some different artifacts, and then here's some music. And you can click this button to make it larger so that way you can see it full screen. After you do that, then you're going to take a look at kente cloth, which comes from Ghana, a West African nation. I'm not sure that you could see me today, but I am wearing a dashiki, which is a tunic type of top that's found in Africa. And so this actually did come from the continent. Here we go. You're going to be looking at kente cloth. What I'm wearing is not kente cloth, but I want you to learn a little bit about it. There's an article about it, about what do the colors mean. You've got that. And then there's a video that shows you how the cloth is made. So when you click on this little article link here, it's going to download for you. And then you can just open it up and you can take a look at it and you can see what the colors mean, so that won't be too difficult to look at that. And then there's a video to show how it's made. Okay, customs and gestures is really kind of cool because you're going to be learning about 6 different countries in sub-Saharan Africa, and then there's an embedded notes page. So if you're there at home watching this, you need to go to Culturegrams, and so you'll click on this link to onlineculturegrams.com, put in the username Frisco ISD, no space in between, in the front, and then password is library, but once again, no space in the front, and please use the World Edition. And you'll get a chance to look at 6 different countries. So when you click on this link here, you're going to see a sheet that looks like this, and I have given you a list of over 30 countries for you to look at. And so you're going to write down the country's name, write down some of the gestures, and think about what you can learn about people from doing that, from following their culture, looking at their gestures. Okay, after you finish that, make sure that you submit it. So there should be a button over here on the right-hand side that says Submit. Then you need to take a look at this about causes of rapid urbanization. So you'll go to this lesson, and what you can do is you can read the article. You can once again download it onto your file, or you can listen to me read it to you. Either way, you need to read it and pay attention to the graphics that are put in there. And then you need to answer the question in the text box that's provided, why are cities growing so fast in sub-Saharan Africa? So, why are cities growing so fast in sub-Saharan Africa? And so there will be a text box for you to submit. When you click the Submit assignment, then you're going to be able to type in your answer in the text box, and then click Submit Assignment when you are finished with it. So that is what you're working on today. If you're in one of my odd numbered classes, like 1st, 3rd, or 5th period, you need to have all of this done before class tomorrow on Wednesday. If you're in my 2nd, 4th, or 8th period class, then that means you have until Thursday morning to get this finished. All right? You guys take care, be kind, and do good, and I will see you soon.